Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you very much for honoring my invitation. So tell me about your last relationship. Like, what caused the breakup?
Can you imagine? I asked this guy for 5 million naira and he gave me 4.5. And I was wondering, where does he expect me to get the remaining 500k?
Jesus.
It's crazy.
Jesus!
What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's me again, your boy SHW. It's another episode of our reaction video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I want to the very end. I'll turn on the notification button so that next time we post a new video, you get notification. So, guys, let's head back for the business of the day. Let's go.
Hey, babe, Christmas is around the corner.
Leave am for corner there. Leave am for the corner, me dey.
Leave am for the corner, JJ. Hey! Funnyemma. Wetin ma dey think?
Funnyemma. Hold my inner young body, Funnyemma.
Emma, wetin happen? I know you very well. You wey be say you like ball. Then they play ball, you sit down here.
Boss, you no go understand. I get big problem like this.
God have mercy upon us.
Tell me, wetin happen?
I get 10 million.
Shut up! 10 million! They shout now. Tell me, how you take get the money?
My father give me money to pay school fees. I just go trade with Major Link. They're the best in trading Bitcoin and gift card.
True!
That's why I take get a 10 million naira.
It might be big for you. Now you not tell me since. Eh? Come. Where the money dey?
It's in my bread.
Because if I catch fire, yeah, you know, like I
swear, if Liverpool catch Man City, na strangle Baba leave that. Baba will go kill you now. Leave that.
see our guy. What do you call this for hospital?
One run, one or two. What do you do for head, Steve?
Jesus.
You this guy for man head. You know go see na woman.
I wonder.
Sharply reach us. Now.
No, wine. My this na love. God will do it for them.
Jesus. I want to see it, maybe.
No go party me.
What's going on here?
See, go no. None of this is thief.
Let's go. Please, we are calling to report a robbery. We are right here now at the crime scene. If you see what is happening here, the people, I think they are.
Thank God that you guys are here. It's God that brought you people here. Let me tell you people what your friend has been doing to me. No, not the guy.
The neighbors need to hear what is happening.
Let me tell you what your friend has been doing. Okay. Remember that day that there was bandage on your friend's head? Yeah. You had a beat fight and your friend beat me.
Steve, the people know.
Oh. So you decide to report him to my friends, Abi? You know they advise him to break up. One of them.
You decided to gang up against me, Abi? No. You are ganging up against me. I will shoot you. Shoot your friends. Oh my God.
Please. I don't know why we are killing each other. Please, at least ask us why we are here first.
Why are you here?
Steve, you remember I came to remind you about Zenia Wallet. Yeah, that cryptocurrency app where you can do simple mission and you earn points, and those points can earn you airdrop right. And if you, even though you invite more friends, you can earn more points that will earn you more airdrop right. So you can click on the link on the bio and download the app on Google Play Store.
You guys don't?
Yes.
Can I consider women killing you?
Yes, come back. I don't want people to kill my friends. I will kill you.
I will kill your family.
I will kill you. I will kill you. I will kill my friends.
Jesus. I will kill you.
Run,
I will bust your boobs. I will choke you. I don't have you.
What do you want?
6 months later.
Steve don't get you, babe. That's my girl. Hey,
Run,
Alpha! Why are you guys running away now?
just so thought of the shorter route.
Are you guys still scared of me?
No.
Babe?
Yes.
We're getting married! You guys not happy for me.
We're happy.
These are your friends about you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you very much for honoring my invitation. So tell me about your last relationship. Like, what caused the breakup?
Can you imagine? I asked this guy for 5 million naira and he gave me 4.5. And I was wondering, where does he expect me to get the remaining 500k?
Jesus.
It's crazy.
Jesus.
300 and something.
You go to miss that your boyfriend, eh?
Excuse me, what did you say?
Time go there.
Jesus.
Jesus. The girl no go understand when that guy said, you go to miss that your ex, but na time go tell, but you no go understand. You see that your ex, you go to miss her because that my guy na 351 naira wey dey here. Omo, you see person wey send you 4,500,000 because of 500k, you break up with that person. Call that person wey get 350 naira for account. You go to miss that your ex. Na time go tell. Guys, I believe you guys are enjoying this kid. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on notification button so that any day we post a new video, you get the notification. So guys, let's control from where we stop. Let's go. It happened now. And the guy that achieved the watch. Sad. So now this morning we will break the wait for waiting. Oh my God, they come. My brother did show.
What's that?
Hey, Jesus.
Hello, Osas.
Hello.
If I see you for Lagos just now.
You see me for Lagos?
Yes, now on top bike, I see you just now.
Waiting, I want to do for Lagos. Where Benin dey hot? Me, I dey Benin. If I come up for Benin, we go fight the fight. I know the Lagos. So I dey Benin like this.
Osas, now you are see for Lagos now.
No be me, people they resemble, bro. I dey Benin bypass like this.
Benin bypass. But Osas, I dey see you like this now. Turn your back, I dey see you like this.
Eh?
Turn your back, I dey see you now. I dey see you. Now you are see. Now you are see. Osas.
I be now.
Osas, my man. You come here, dinner say you know the Lagos. Osas. So I found I don't cause all this fight. Make Benin restless for people. Businesses don't die. Business no dey move again. When I don't ginger fight, people should they cry every day. Osas, you don't call Lagos.
You don't call Lagos. Why they lie for my head? Now Lagos be this. No be Benin with this. No be Ugbowo be this. No be school gate that they see like this. This is not Uniben's gate. Why they lie? Why they do like that now, bro?
Osas, Osas, this one that they do ain't no good. You don't understand? You no good. Wanna stop this thing?
Abba, come. You get wetin they talk. They say how they see man to talk. As you see me so, if I hear say they see Osas for Lagos, where I dey like this na Benin o. You hear me? I know you reach us o.
Osas, forget that thing.
Abba, come back. No be forget that thing matter. I stand for here. Come front.
What did this class now?
Come front. Chama, where we dey?
We dey Lagos.
We dey
Benin.
Wetin be my name?
Osas.
Update am for your status. Say Osas dey Benin.
Osas dey Benin.
Osas dey Benin.
Osas dey Benin.
I say Osas no fit comot for Benin.
I dey Ugbowo. See bypass. Na wetin you dey talk?
I dey see. I don put am. I say Osas dey Benin. Dey Ugbowo.
Dey talk and dey go. Make no let am comot for your head.
Osas dey Benin. Dey Ugbowo. Osas dey Benin. Dey Ugbowo.
Osas dey Benin.
Osas dey Benin.
You no see me, I no see you.
Osas dey
I dey Ugbowo.
I know you have a boyfriend, but this my friend likes you. And he's willing to. Babes,
Please stop now. Stop. Let me stop my boyfriend. I really love him so much.
is there anybody that does not cheat in this Lagos? Is everything not low?
Are you serious? Stop now. Stop.
Wahala. 2 million.
2.
I'll give it 2 million. Give it
2 what thing?
Run away. Run away.
5 million.
5 with
Bros, calm down now. I was just trying to lock the door for the 2 million. But this is you want to bless me with 5 million. Who am I? Is it cash or transfer?
Transfer.
Anybody that says body count does not count should not be counted among the living.
Fear women.
Love you. Okay, drive well, Well done, madam. Madam, we are going to.
Wait, let me pick up this call. Hello, babe.
Hi, babe. Where are you?
Babe, I'm just coming back from the church. Really? Yes. Babe, guess what?
Church waiting.
Babe, I fell under anointing. You see today's ministration, it was powerful, babe.
Wow. You know, I feel so lucky having a prayer warrior as my partner. Thank you so much. Did you pray for me?
Yes, babe, I prayed for you so that you can start making much money. Let's be enjoying life.
Thank you so much. You know what? I'm gonna call you back.
Okay.
I love you.
Alright, babe. Bye. Kisses. Oga, they go. Yes, Aja, they go. I'm done.
Sorry, madam.
Okay.
Hello, bro.
Yeah, bro. I am getting married though next week.
Really?
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I just sent you the IV now.
Oh, okay. I'll check it now. Wow.
Oga, they go now.
What's happen? Same girl.
What's happening now? They go now.
Madam, my friend is getting married.
How is that my concern?
Oh, I think you might know.
Know what?
Know them.
I dey ask you a question. Not be a shower they call am now hook up.
What should I do now?
Asa, this one way they come out like this. When you go come back?
I don't know. If I get customer, I go let you know.
Baby.
This baby way they call me, you go put me for trouble. See, when we dey outside, no they call me baby. They call me big sis. You want special for me.
Okay. The money where you say you go give me now. Yeah, yesterday night.
You don't know pass money. Now wait till I get
Thank you, big sis. Thank you, baby. You know, say I teach you I still day character.
the big sis, so that you go feel master am.
Okay, big sis.
I can send down voice note.
Nah, guy man. This game where you send me for Telegram, na bet correct me I go take play am. Because bet correct na the only AI powered betting platform we dey for Africa. And you know say those people they are all they dey very big. Me I go just use the promo code nasboi make I fit get bonus. Hello babe. Sorry no verse. Big sis. Okay.
Jesus.
My you go stay.
Now one woman they stay. Why you want me my younger brother sleep? Ima, I bet off life for me.
Papa.
I don't see my period. I don't get belly for you.
Abomination. How you go talk say you don't get belly for me? You will be my big sis.
Big sis.
Big seven.
Hey! In this life, the lack of money is the beginning of sea finish, I swear. Lack of money is the beginning of sea finish. As my guy will not get money, the guy will not get mad to talk now. They go carry woman. His girlfriend go carry man come house on top your head. They go they knock you on top your. Try to make money, no matter what you do in this life. Try to make money. Get why you to avoid see finish. Try to make money, guys. Thank you guys for staying to the very end. I really appreciate you guys, and I believe you guys enjoyed this brieful skit. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that next time we post a new video, you get notifications. So guys, let's just call it a day. See you next time. Peace out.